Hello, how are you? Namaste ji, Navjot sab. How are you? You have to unmute, Navjot sab. You have to unmute.
Ah,
Yeah.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning,
Hi,
Namaste.
hi. Namaste. Thank you for joining, sir.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Sir, we are having a 3-day conference,
Yeah,
and today is totally online of students.
yeah.
And Tanveer, he's my son also, and doing lot of work. First, he
Yes,
started
yes.
MSN in Punjab, and now
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
taking care of Haji. And
Yeah.
tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we'll have both hybrid programs.
Sure,
Actually,
sure, sure.
we wanted to have students also be here, but they
Yeah.
are having exams due to postponement.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Very nice, very nice. Tanveer will lead a Punjab team in JDN, and
yes, yes, sir.
whatever activities we have planned or whatever is advised by headquarters, we will have to
Yes,
carry
sir.
out. Every state we are putting in teams, so
Yes,
our
sir.
contingent will be very large now. All the states, around 10 people in every state. So it will come to around 250 to 300 office bearers of JDN. Very young
Yes,
and
sir.
enthusiastic people comprised of.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice. Karan also joined from Delhi. Karan, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Thank you so much, Navjot, sir. My first
Hi,
conference
Karan.
was PIMACON. My first
Yes,
conference
yes,
in MSN. My first conference in MSN was PIMACON, and
yes. I
thankfully,
know.
the first conference in JDN is again PIMACON.
That's
And
great.
PIMACON is very auspicious for me to start my career. And thanks so much for organizing this event. We are really blessed that you have given so much help to the JDN and MSN always. And definitely hats off to Tanveer, who is handling this this event single-handedly since inviting us all, gathering us all from various parts of India, and uniting us all in this movement against mixopathy. And not only mixopathy, I think. Our focus should be on all the issues like vaccinations, vaccination drive. Our focus should also be on the uh,
Yeah.
uh, doctor safety. Our focus should be on all aspects, and we need guidance of Abul sir always and his support always because for growing the JDN in Delhi. And
yes.
thank you so much, sir.
Sir, we will be broadcasting via YouTube, and only the speakers will be joining here in the Zoom meeting. And sir, we can start. Hello. Good morning, everyone who have joined us via YouTube, and we will be starting with the PIMACON 2020 Students Conclave. So it's my pleasure to host this event for everyone. And this is the event of IMA JDN and IMA MSN Punjab. And we'll begin with the inauguration right now. So IMA Punjab presents PIMACON 2020 Students Conclave. Welcome everyone. And we'll start with the IMA prayer. So may everybody be happy. May every one of us see to it that nobody suffers from any pain or sorrow. I do not ask for crown, nor I wish to be in heaven or reborn. I only want to elevate the suffering of those people who are burning in fire of sorrow. We start all our meetings with IMA prayer. So let's get ahead. These are our PIMACON 2020 patrons. Dr. Ketan Desai, past president, World Medical Association. Dr. J.A. Jayalal, national president, IMA. Dr. Rajan Sharma, immediate past president, Indian Medical Association. Dr. Sajanand Prasad, national president-elect, IMA 2022. And our PIMACON 2020 organizing team. Uh, we have Dr. Navjot Daya, organizing chairman, IMA Jalandhar. Dr. Pankaj Paul, co-organizing chairman, IMA Jalandhar. Dr. Manish Singhal, organizing finance secretary, IMA Jalandhar. Dr. Asmeet Singh, organizing secretary, IMA Jalandhar. Dr. R.S. Bal, co-organizing secretary, IMA Jalandhar. We'll start with the inauguration. For inauguration, we have Dr. Navjot Singh Daya, IMA National Vice President, and Dr. KM Abul Hassan, Chairman, IMA Junior Doctors Network. Now I would like Dr. Navjot Singh Daya to inaugurate the conference and say a few words about the PIMACON 2020 IMA Student Conclave.
Yes. So I just congratulate the Punjab team and JDN team, and I extend sincere welcome to all of you. Today we are having a program for students, and I expect that these budding new doctors will make IMA, bring IMA to more heights. And I think that you will improve the membership, and there will be a lot of members who will be joining through JDN, and IMA headquarter has taken various schemes, and I invite and welcome you all on this conclave, and I wish best of luck and today's program and for other 2 days program which are hybrid programs which are online and offline.
You can continue now.
Hello.
Yes.
So I just congratulate the Punjab team and JDN team, and I extend sincere welcome to all of you. Today we are having a program for students, and I expect that these budding new doctors will make IMA, bring IMA to more heights, and I think that you will improve the membership, and there will be a lot of members who will be joining through JDN, and IMA headquarter has taken various schemes, and I invite and welcome you all on this conclave, and I wish best of luck and today's program and for other 2 days program which are hybrid programs which are online and offline. All links will
I think
I think he has bad internet connection. So it's okay. Dr. Abul sir, you can say a few words, please.
Yeah, good morning, all of you. I'm very happy and privileged to participate in the PIMACON 2020. And I always say that IMA Punjab brings lots of glories to IMA of our country. And my heartiest greetings to IMA Punjab and also IMA MSN JDN for wonderfully organizing this job. And also I felt it was very nice to see many of our young leaders are speaking today. Congratulations to all of them. All know that we have a very young and energetic team in every state of our country. We are still in the expansion mode. And as I said, you will be having 200 plus very strong, young and energetic members team of IMA JDN. It is very pertinent to note here that we are all very much, sensitized and also empowered to carry on the fight against this mixopathy and all other dangers facing our profession. Let me tell one more thing in this August occasion that IMA JDN is also into the membership drive. We have devised a very, very comfortable fee structure for entering into IMA JDN. Once they enter into IMA JDN, they will become life members of IMA also. This is a wonderful opportunity that will be rolled out very soon. And let me also tell the members who are joined here that what IMA JDN is going to, do for the members who are joining. Apart from this, to the important task of protecting our profession, we have so much of activities in 4 verticals like leadership development and job opportunities and promoting research and also promoting entrepreneurship in the medical profession. I must also mention here that our immediate priority to find jobs for thousands and thousands of young medical graduates who are getting passed from roughly 600 medical colleges in our country. So finding a space for them to work both in our country and also overseas. So we are having some strategies that also will be rolled out. for creating job opportunities both in India and also overseas. So finally, let me assure you that you can expect big activities from IMA JDN in this particular 2021, and people like Tanvir Dagia and all other teams like Karan and also Sankul, Shiv Joshi, Aswin, Akshay, Indranil, all these are going to do a lot of things in this IMA JDN platform. I wish IMA Emerson and IMA JDN Punjab team and also IMA Punjab a great year ahead, and all the best to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. And we will proceed with the inauguration further. And before Dr. Shiv sir, Dr. Shiv sir joins us, I have prepared a few slides about IMA JDN and IMA MSN Punjab, and we'll be starting with that. IMA Junior Doctors Network and IMA JDN is the voice of young doctors of this country. Every year, there are about 45,000 fresh medical graduates joining the medical profession, with already existing 8,50,000 practicing doctors in our country. More than in any profession, there is a need to engage them, train them, and mold them to become a complete doctor. The medical profession is advancing with newer discoveries and innovations every day. The issues in the doctor patient relationship are also on the rise. The more experienced doctors could impart their experience to young doctors for bringing our own good and that of our patients. To achieve the goal of bringing all the young doctors of our country under one roof, IMA headquarters New Delhi started this new initiative, IMA Junior Doctor Network. IMA JDN, as Abul sir said, is on the expansion stage right now. We are setting up state teams, and as sir said, it will be of more than 200 leaders who will be heading IMA JDN. And further on, for IMA JDN Punjab, what we have done up till now is that we have launched the JDN wing in Punjab this year in December 2020, and we have an active team of students from across Punjab. And the proposed body of Punjab is I'll be leading the team as the state convener, and the state general secretary will be Dr. Noor Gill, and state joint secretary for headquarters license Dr. Akriti Sood, state co-governors Dr. Angad Singh Jol, state joint secretary Dr. Karina Arora. National council members will be Dr. Sonalika Gupta and Dr. Sunil Nadda. Our immediate goals are to collaborate with local RDAs and sensitize medicos against mixopathy. We'll be starting with this, and further on, a few words about Indian Medical Association, Medical Students Network Punjab. And IMA MSN Punjab was formed in 2017 and has been one of the most active wings of IMA Punjab, which connects undergraduate students across Punjab. And it was founded under the guidance of Dr. Ravi Vankhedkar, Dr. Navjot Daya, and Dr. P.S. Bakshi. Led this year by Ganeep Singh, he's the President IMA MSN Punjab for 2020, Rakesh Kaul, Secretary, Priyati Chopra, Japneet Kaur, and Jashanpreet Kaur, the Vice Presidents. They have achieved various new milestones. Some major highlights which I'll be sharing with you for 2020. The fee hike protest, which was there was actually a fee hike in in Punjab medical schools. So for that we had a fee hike protest. There was statewide media coverage for the protest, and further on we started MSN Punjab newsletter, and 2 editions of the newsletter have already been released for this year. And we have started 2 new projects, the White Coat project and Project Pokar. We'll be talking more about White Coat project today. Dr. Noor Gill, she's one of the founding members, and she'll be imparting some words about the White Coat. And we have launched MSN Punjab's website, that is www.imamsnpunjab.com. You guys can definitely check it out. And we have conducted an anti-cracker campaign near Diwali and opened up MSN Punjab branches in all the medical colleges of Punjab. We were able to open them in CMC Ludhiana and Guru Gobind Singh GGS Faridkot. So There was also a protest against mixopathy in December 2020, in which the members and the leaders took active part. And we have launched and organized a social campaign for each of our projects under MSN Punjab due to COVID-19 pandemic. If we have time, I'll be able to share some details of the projects with you. And further on, this is our team for IMMSN Punjab, which was for 2020. I was the student patron, and Ganeev Singh was the state president, Rakesh Kaul the general secretary, Japneet Kaur vice president, Priyati Chopra vice president, Jashanpreet Kaur vice president, Riya Sharma from DMC Ludhiana was the national council member, Harsimar Kaur was the state coordinator, and Harnoor Kaur was state president, Girls Wing. So this is one of our projects of IMAMS in Punjab. It's Project Prerna. It was started 2 years back by Dr. Sonalika Gupta. She is in Delhi right now and she is preparing for post graduation. She was a national council member back then. And under this project, we have donated three sanitary pad machines in local schools in Amritsar, in which Dr. Shiv sir is with us right now. And I'll be speaking on the topic leadership in non-medical.